When processing glass mechanically, glass dust forms which contaminates the process water and makes regular cleaning necessary. Disposing of the contaminated water through the sewage system is not permissible. Using the same cooling water over a longer period of time is not only environmentally friendly, but also saves considerable costs. The Sedimentor water treatment technology from Bohle is the ideal solution to achieve both. The time-consuming cleaning of conventional recirculation systems is considerably reduced with this trend-setting system. Further advantages of clean cooling water, longer service life of processing tools, and significantly improved quality of the processed glass, or a higher flow rate per hour and a stable pH value of the processed water if cooling lubricant is used. In general, the investment costs for a water treatment system are amortized in less than a year. The Bohle Sedimentors work in 2 steps. Effective sedimentation. During the continuous circulation cycle, coarse glass particles sink to the bottom of the container as a result of the optimal tank design and special inserts. The wastewater is fed down through the central pipe. The design of the overflow at the top of the tank forces the water flow upwards. The dirt particles have a higher density than water and sink to the bottom. Thus, up to 70% of glass particles are gathered. Automatic flocculation process. In the second step, fine particles are actively contained during an automated cycle. A short blast of air through the valve releases the grinding sludge from the inner walls of the water tank. The propeller mixes grinding sludge and water with rapid rotations for approximately 1 minute. The optimized sedimentation granules bind even the finest glass particles. While the propeller turns more slowly, the sedimentation granules are added and mix with the water. When the propeller stops, the water settles and large and fine particles are being bound by the sedimentation granules, forming small to large flakes. The flakes sink to the bottom of the tank. The flocculation process is merely physical. No chemicals are added. 10 minutes later, the valve opens and the flakes are ejected into the filter bag by water pressure. The collected glass sludge can then be disposed of with the normal residual waste. The entire flocculation process takes about 20 minutes, one complete cleaning cycle approximately 1 hour. The bypass principle keeps the sedimentation granules from entering the processing machine. In this way, they do not mix with the clean process water and the contamination of the machine is effectively prevented. The result is practically clear water in the system with energy and maintenance requirements which are considerably below other systems, for example centrifuges. Bohle sedimentors are available in 3 standard sizes. Depending on the model, a sludge amount of up to 7.2 kilograms per hour can be removed, which would be enough for a double straight-line edger, for example. Further models are suitable for typical glass processing machines with up to 14 spindles or smaller models with up to 9 spindles. Bohle sedimentors are also suitable for CNC machines. For comprehensive processing projects, a combination of several sedimentors can be used. Save the environment and money when buying a Bohle Sedimentor. Contact us for a customized offer for your individual application.